We are going to be importing data that is stored in an Access database table. And we're going to be placing the data beginning in cell A5. So at this point, cell A5 should be active. And we're going to go into the Data tab. And we're going to indicate that we want to bring in data from Access. And we are going to go to our EL2C8 folder. And the name of the database is New Trends Census. So we're going to go ahead and open that. Now there are more than one table. There's more than one table in that database. So we do need to select the table that we want to bring in data from, and it's pop by state. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And now it's asking us how we want to view the data. And you'll notice that table is the default, but if we wanted a pivot chart or a pivot table report, we could do that. We could also do like a connection, which is almost like a link to the data, but we are going to import it as a table. And we're going to bring it in beginning in cell A5. So what we're going to do at this point is go ahead and just click OK. Okay, and you can see that it automatically converted it into a table for us, starting in cell A5. Now, before I do anything else, I am going to save this. I have not saved the file with an 8 and a dash in front, and I am going to do that before I forget. And it should go in the EL2C8 folder. And now I'm going to go ahead and do a little formatting. They want us to remove the arrows. And let's click right in here. We're going to go into Home, Sort and Filter, and turn off Filter, because that removes those arrows. And then why don't we highlight our table, because they would like us to change the style. And so let's go under Table Tools. Let's go into Design. And this is the one they want, Table Style Medium 1. So let's go ahead and select that one. And we're going to go back into our Home ribbon. And some of the numbers are hard to read. So starting in C6, we're going to drag down and across to highlight all of the numbers. And we will be applying the comma format with 0 decimals. So we're going to click on comma, and then we're going to decrease the decimals. Click on that a couple times so that it is 0. And you'll notice that we still can't see all of the numbers because the cell isn't wide enough. So we're going to drag columns C through F, and we're going to change the width on those columns to 15 characters. So you can use the drag method or right click and use the column width method, whatever works better for you. But we do want to make those 15. And with a width of 15, you should be able to see everything. And for our column headings in row 5, we're going to highlight, actually they want us to only highlight C5 through F5 and center align those. And we're not actually going to print, but we are going to adjust the print settings. So let's go into page layout. We're going to go into page setup. And they would like everything to fit to one page. And they would also like it centered horizontally and vertically. Okay, so we will adjust those settings. And then we're going to save our changes.